Charging issues with the Oral-B IO Series 3 usually come from three areas: the charging dock, the battery, or software glitches. Start with the basics. Test the wall outlet with another device and inspect the adapter and cable for damage. Even a loose connection can prevent charging. Next, clean the magnetic charging contacts on both the toothbrush and the dock. Toothpaste residue or moisture can block proper contact. Make sure the brush snaps into place with the magnetic alignment. If that doesn't fix it, try a battery reset. Fully drain the toothbrush until it stops working. Leave it off the charger for 24 hours, then charge it uninterrupted for another 24 hours. To rule out a faulty dock, test your brush on a different compatible dock, or try another IO brush on your dock. If charging is still inconsistent, update the Oral-B app and firmware, or perform a factory reset by holding the power button for 10-15 seconds. If the battery drains quickly, overheats, or won't hold a charge after 12 to 24 months of use, it may be degraded and require replacement. Regular cleaning, proper alignment, and avoiding constant overcharging help prevent most issues.